इमोशनली वेल, तो आप हेल्दी हो। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बीमारी है तभी आप शारीरिक बीमारी है तभी आप बीमार हो। हेल्थ टोटल वेल बीइंग है, मतलब आप इमोशनली भी स्टेबल हो, मेंटली भी आप स्टेबल हो, शरीर में कोई बीमारी नहीं। तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? तो एक छोटा सा वीडियो देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम शुरू करते हैं। सर शुरू करें? शैल आई स्टार्ट?
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर।
वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है?
यस सर।
ओके।
Life is enthusiasm, life is joy, life is love. श्री श्री रविशंकर जी का जन्म 1956 में दक्षिण भारत के एक प्रतिष्ठित परिवार में हुआ। 4 वर्ष की आयु में उन्होंने भगवत गीता सुनाकर अपने माता पिता को अचंभित कर दिया। छोटी उम्र में ही वे कई बार ध्यानस्थ हो जाते थे। स्कूल में वे अपने दोस्तों से कहते, सारा विश्व मेरा परिवार है, लोग मेरा इंतजार कर रहे हैं, एक दिन मैं उनके पास जरूर जाऊंगा। 17 साल की उम्र में कुछ समय मौन के उपरांत 1982 में आपने सुदर्शन क्रिया सिखाना आरंभ किया। इस प्रक्रिया द्वारा मनुष्य को तनाव से मुक्ति और जीवन में आनंद की अनुभूति होती है। चंचल मन स्थिर और आनंदित हो जाता है। आपका कहना है कि जीवन को सुंदर बनाने के 3 सूत्र हैं: व्यक्तिगत साधना, सामाजिक सेवा और सामूहिक सत्संग। प्रेरणा से हजारों युवक दिव्य समाज के निर्माण के कार्यक्रम में लगे हुए हैं, जिनका लक्ष्य है स्वस्थ, स्वच्छ, सुभद्र, सुशिक्षित और सुंदर समाज का निर्माण। समाज से हमें क्या मिलेगा, ऐसा सोचने से व्यक्ति दुखी हो जाता है। हम समाज के काम कैसे आए, ऐसा विचार करने से जीवन को नई दिशा मिलती है और समाज में हर व्यक्ति एक दूसरे के काम आए तो समाज एक दिव्य समाज का रूप ले लेता है। श्री श्री ने वैदिक परंपरा के महत्व को फिर से जागृत कर विश्व भर के प्रतिष्ठित लोगों में भारत का सम्मान बढ़ाया। आपके जीवन जीने की कला है आत्मविश्वास, जाति मतभेद रहित आत्मीयता, अपने जीवन और पूरे समाज के प्रति उत्तरदायित्व और प्रभु प्रेम। इस शिविर द्वारा लाखों लोगों में नई चेतना की जागृति हुई है। उनका जीवन एक उत्सव बन गया है। आपकी संस्था को विश्व की अनेक संस्थाओं द्वारा मान्यता प्राप्त है। आज यह विश्व का सर्वप्रथम एनजीओ बन गया है। What is it that is lacking in the society? How we can enrich the human values? आपने बच्चों और युवकों के लिए प्रशिक्षण पद्धतियां तैयार की है। See, children by nature are friendly. If they are unfriendly, it is because of stress. जेल के कैदियों और कर्मचारियों के लिए भी आप विशेष कार्यक्रम चला रहे हैं। स्वच्छता, निःशुल्क चिकित्सा,
पेयजल, गृह निर्माण, हिंसा के लोगों की तनाव से मुक्ति, भूकंप पीड़ितों की सहायता और ऐसे अनेक सेवा कार्यक्रम चल रहे हैं।
हर विनाश के साथ एक नया सृजन कंटिन्यू होती है। सृजन कार्य में संगम जुट जाओ, एकदम सुंदर दिव्य समाज का निर्माण।
श्री श्री सेवा, प्रेम, ज्ञान, आनंद और शांति का प्रतीक है। शंकराचार्य का गूढ़ ज्ञान, बुद्ध का गहन ज्ञान, जीसस का असीम प्रेम और कृष्ण की मस्ती
सर ओके अभी दिखाई दे रहा है? हेलो
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। आई एम सुरेश परमार। बाई प्रोफेशन मैं स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियर हूँ, मतलब मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ आप लोगों की तरह। तो ये है क्या कहते हैं आउटर इंजीनियरिंग। हाँ, उसमें हम बहुत सारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत कुछ करते हैं, और एक इनर इंजीनियरिंग है। तो जितना भी लाइफ में प्रेशियस है वो इनर है। मतलब सारे पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं, बहुत सारा पोस्ट चाहते हैं, ये पूरे दिन टू बी खुश रहना चाहते हैं, जस्ट लाइक ए चाइल्ड। हेलो हेलो,
यस सर, यू आर ऑडिबल।
ओके। तो हमारे आसपास जो भी कुछ बनता रहे, हम फ्री रहे, स्टेबल रहे। जैसे अभी का माहौल है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? जो हम चेंज कर सकते हैं उसको चेंज करना है, जिसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते उसको स्वीकार करना है। लेकिन हर परिस्थिति में खुश, दैट इज व्हाट वी कैन डू। तो ये खुशी है। मतलब ऐसे एक सर्वे हुआ है कि छोटा बच्चा होता है, वो दिन में 400 टाइम्स स्माइल करता है। वो पालने में है या खेलता है, कुछ भी करता है, ही इज हैप्पी। तो वी आर बॉर्न हैप्पी, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, मतलब 3 साल 4 साल तक तो हम नेचुरल स्टेट में होते हैं। उसके बाद फिर हमारे में बिकॉज ऑफ सोसाइटी, बिकॉज ऑफ पेरेंट्स, जो भी आसपास का माहौल, वो हमारे में स्ट्रेस डेवलप करता है। तो जो 400 बार हम स्माइल करते थे, खुद आते आते क्या होता है 20-25 हो जाता है, और आफ्टर 40 क्या होता है, हम हंसते भी नहीं और हंसने देते भी नहीं। तो व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, हम कहाँ पे गलत हुए? हर लाइफ में हर चीज बढ़ती है, हमारा वेट बढ़ा, हमारी हाइट बढ़ी, तो खुशी क्यों नहीं बढ़ी? हर चीज बढ़नी चाहिए। तो इसका डायरेक्टली कनेक्शन हमारे लंग्स के साथ है। अभी हमारी जो लंग कैपेसिटी है, अभी कोरोना में भी वही देखते हैं कि लंग कैपेसिटी आपकी कितनी कम हो गई है, ब्रीदिंग कैपेसिटी कितनी कम हो गई है। तो उसको कैसे बढ़ाना है, उसके कुछ सोर्सेस। और एक ऐसा सर्वे हुआ है कि दिन में हम 625 प्लस टाइम्स नो सुनते हैं, ये मत करो, ये मत करो, ये मत, क्या करो कोई हमको बताता नहीं है, जिसको हम पॉजिटिव कहते हैं कि ये करना है। तो कांस्टेंट नेगेशन क्या करता है हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम में, धीरे धीरे क्या करता है, स्ट्रेस डेवलप करता है कि मैं जो भी करता हूं गलत करता हूं या करती हूं। तो जब तक हमारे सिस्टम में रोग प्रतिकारक शक्ति बोलो वो अच्छी होती है तब तक कुछ होता नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे ही वो कम होते जाती है वो डिजीज के द्वारा बाहर निकलता है। मतलब 90% जो डिजीज है वो साइकोसोमेटिक। साइकोसोमेटिक मतलब मन के कारण वो शरीर में उत्पन्न होती है, तो उसको भी ठीक करना है। तो इसके लिए हमारी जो बरसों पुरानी जो पद्धति है उसको, उसकी हम वैल्यू नहीं करते। जो भी है हमारे, हमको बीइंग ए इंडियन हमको बहुत कुछ मिला है। सबसे पहला है हमारा स्पिरिचुअलिटी। तो गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर के स्पिरिचुअलिटी यूनाइट्स पीपल, रिलीजन डिवाइड्स पीपल। स्पिरिचुअलिटी यूनाइट करती है। मतलब जो लोग भी सांस ले सकते हैं वो ये सारी चीज कर सकते हैं। उसकी एक ही कंडीशन है, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में कोई धर्म, कोई संप्रदाय, कोई कास्ट, क्रीड, रिलीजन नहीं है, के लिए है। और जो लोग साधना के रास्ते पे, मतलब नन्स है या साधु है, वो भी इसके ट्रेनर है, टीचर है, वो भी सिखाते हैं। तो इट्स ओपन फॉर ऑल। यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नेशनैलिटी कुछ भी नहीं है। मतलब जो हमको डिवाइड करता है, जो डिवीजन करता है, उससे परे है हमारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी, हमारा आयुर्वेदा। आयुर्वेदा है हमारे जो भी क्या कहते हैं, हमारे फेस्टिवल है, हमारा फूड है, हमारे जो रिलीजियस टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस है, हमारा जो आईटी सेक्टर है, ये बहुत सारी चीजें जिस पे हमको प्राउड फील करना चाहिए। हमारे ऑर्नामेंट्स है बहुत, ये सारी चीजें हमको प्राउड फील करनी चाहिए, ऐसे हमारे देश में है। लेकिन हमारा जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है उसमें धीरे धीरे हमको जो प्राउड फीलिंग था वो धीरे धीरे हमारा कम होता गया है। तो ये कुछ सीखना है सारी चीजें। आज कुछ हम ग्लिम्स आपको बताएंगे, बाकी जो भी हमारे बहुत सारे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में हम ये हर चीज का एक वर्कशॉप सिखाते हैं, कोर्सेज सिखाते हैं, उसके बारे में भी कुछ बताएंगे। तो श्री श्री रविशंकर इसके जो फाउंडर है वो साइंस ग्रेजुएट है और वैदिक साइंस में भी उन्होंने ग्रेजुएशन किया। तो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में हम कुछ ऐसी बातें नहीं बताता जिसका आपको अनुभव नहीं करवा सकते। तो ये पूरा एक्सपीरियंशियल कोर्स है, उसमें बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स है, हैप्पीनेस प्रोग्राम है, फिर रेसिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम शुरू होते हैं। जितना भी आपकी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी आपको करना है, तो ये पूरा करना क्यों है? गुरुजी बोलते हैं कि देयर आर 3 थिंग्स। वन इज क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड, कि मन में एक क्लैरिटी चाहिए कि डूस एंड डोंट्स तो हमारे शास्त्र में बहुत है, लेकिन हर क्षण प्रॉपर डिसीजन क्या लेना है, वो कोई भी हो, आपके नॉर्मल वर्क के लिए है। क्योंकि कर्ण को एक श्राप था कि आप लाइफ में जब भी ज्ञान की जरूरत होगी तो आप भूल जाओगे। तो ये ज्ञान की रक्षा भी बहुत जरूरी है। जो भी कुछ आप अचीव करते हो उसकी रक्षा, उसके लिए क्लैरिटी ऑफ माइंड चाहिए, प्योरिटी ऑफ हार्ट। मतलब लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है, बहुत अचीव करना है, लेकिन हृदय में एक पवित्रता, कोई प्योरिटी हो, न किसी को गिरा के, किसी को वो करके नहीं। तो बहुत कुछ अचीव करना है, लेकिन प्योरिटी ऑफ हार्ट भी चाहिए। तीसरा है सिंसियरिटी इन एक्शन, डायनेमिज्म इन एक्शन। मतलब दोनों चीज लाइफ में चाहिए कि इनर पीस और आउटर डायनेमिज्म। मतलब पूरे गीता में कृष्ण भगवान अर्जुन को क्या सिखाता, पहले तो शांत हो जा और फिर युद्ध कर। मतलब शांत भी होना है और डायनेमिक भी होना है। तो ये दोनों जरूरी है। जितना भी हम अंदर शांत होंगे, अंदर पीसफुल होंगे, हम कहते हैं ना कि हम दो वर्ड है, देयर आर टू वर्ड्स, वन इज रिएक्शन एंड वन इज रिस्पॉन्ड। तो रिएक्शन मतलब क्या कि पहले कुछ करते हैं, किसी ने एक्शन किया और हमने प्रतिक्रिया के सामने प्रतिक्रिया की, तो उसमें इंटेलेक्ट नहीं आता बीच में, और रिस्पॉन्ड में इंटेलेक्ट आता है। तो ये जो हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस है उसके 7 लेवल्स है, जो हमारा अस्तित्व है। तो पहला है शरीर। शरीर क्या है? विजिबल है, हम पहचान सकते हैं, रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं, बॉडी है। तो ये हमारा एग्जिस्टेंस का पहला लेवल है। उसके बाद सूक्ष्म शुरू होता है, उसमें बाद सांस होती। सांस सांस क्या करता है? हमारी इनर वर्ल्ड और आउटर वर्ल्ड ऑफ एक्टिविटी को कनेक्ट करता है। जब हम पैदा हुए तो सबसे पहला काम कौन सा किया था? सांस ली थी। आखिरी काम कौन सा करेंगे? सांस छोड़ेंगे। तो सांस ली तो जीवन शुरू हुआ, सांस छोड़े तो जीवन खत्म होगा। तो ये फिर बॉडी कितना भी अच्छा हो, हम घर में उसको नहीं रखते, क्योंकि सांस नहीं है, अभी चली गई तो बॉडी का कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है।
அது லிங்க்டின்ல போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க।
हेलो, कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन है सर?
Hello, sir.
அரே
Is it
அப்பப்ப பண்ணிட்டா பிரச்சனை கிடையாது, நம்ம மறந்துடுவோம்।
is it possible to speak in English? Some participants are requesting us to speak in English.
ओके ओके ओके
Some may not be able to understand. That's why.
ओके, मतलब दोनों लैंग्वेज में चलेगा कि ओनली इंग्लिश? क्योंकि बाकी का भी
Means some has requested they are not able to understand Hindi. So if it is possible,
ओके ओके,
majority part if we can take in English. So
मेजोरिटी हिंदी में ले सकते हैं, मतलब
English,
रिपीटेड
English,
मेजोरिटी
majority English. Yes.
ओके ओके डन।
Okay. Thank you.
So let me begin from I am Suresh Parmar. By profession I am structural engineer or a faculty in art of living. So in art of living what we teach, what we train is as an experiential course। मतलब तो एक there have one survey we have done कि we are very जो भी मतलब जो whatever precious thing we got as a child, this is happiness, full of enthusiasm, live in present moment, and no worry about past and future. So these are qualities. We were born with these precious qualities, but because of society, because of parents, because of education, we got stressed after 3 or 4 years of age. तो what went wrong? हम डेली मतलब we listen no 620 time plus time, no, don't do this, don't do this, don't, what to do nobody tells us। so because of constant negation we got this stress। so everyone thinks that whatever I am doing is wrong, because everyone is I got negative remarks from everyone कि don't do, don't do, don't do। so what to do? That is, so we can't change others what they can behave, then they can say, but we can change something in ourselves, because whatever we do, ultimate goal, what is ultimate goal of life? To be happy, to be free। मतलब हमारे whatever happens around us, we can be free, bad or good। so what that there are many things we can cleanse our inner portion। तो inner जो है, there are 7 level of our existence। one is body। body is visible, we can see, we can recognize by face। so body is the first level of our existence। then there is a sukshma, very inner, that is subtle level, that is a breath। breath we can feel। so that is between the outer world and inner world। when we were born, what has happened? We take breath, and what is our last act of life? we exhale। so when we inhale, our life full, however, nobody put in our house. The body, we whatever of our process, we dispose our body. So breath is very precious. Whatever our emotions are controlled by our breath. When we become angry, our breath patterns changes. We become calm. Our breath patterns is slow. When we are unhappy, breath patterns changes. So in art of living, what we say we do, we attain our breath. ब्रेथ पैटर्न को हम कुछ सीख करते हैं, उसके लिए कुछ वित्तीय प्राणायाम, कुछ योगासन, मेडिटेशन. तो ब्रेथ बिकम्स काम वेरी, मतलब if you take a deep breath and exhale very slowly, you become calm. So it's all our emotions are related to breath. However you are educated, nobody tells us what to do when we were angry, we were sad, the depression, how to tackle depression. तो डिप्रेशन हाउ, मतलब अभी गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जो खुद साइंस ग्रेजुएट, ही इज साइंस ग्रेजुएट, ही हैज डन इन हिज वैदिक साइंस ग्रेजुएशन. तो वन यूथ केम कि आई गॉट बोर्ड, व्हाट टू डू. तो व्हाट गुरुदेव सेज कि इफ यू आर गेटिंग बोर्ड इन योर ओन कंपनी, हाउ बोरिंग यू आर फॉर अदर्स. तो हमारी खुद की कंपनी में अगर हम इतना बोर होते हैं तो औरों को कितना बोर करते होंगे. तो ये पूरा क्या है कि हमारी खुद की कंपनी को प्रेजेंट बनाना है, टू बी प्रेजेंट विद इन आवर ओन कंपनी. हमारी ओन कंपनी में भी हम कंफर्टेबल रह सके, और औरों हमारे साथ जो भी है, वट एवर पर्सन जो भी हमारे साथ जुड़े हो, जो हमारी नियर एंड डियर सोन से, जहाँ पे हम वर्क प्लेस है, वो सारे लोग कैसे हमारी कंपनी को एंजॉय करें. तो उसके लिए तो वी हैव समथिंग टू डू फॉर दिस. तो उसके लिए ब्रेथ रिलेटेड सम प्राणायाम्स है, ब्रेथ रिलेटेड योगासन है, वो सारा ब्रेथ से कनेक्टेड. इन एक्सरसाइज व्हाट वी डू, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्सरसाइज और जिम एंड प्राणायाम. ये योगा is connected with breath. When our body expands, we take breath, body contracts, we exhale. So it's directly whatever asana, we will do some asana. So that is second level of our breath. Third level of our is mind. What mind does, mind is directly connected to all senses. सेंसिबल जो प्लेजर है, जितने भी सेंसिबल प्लेजर है, वो माइंड रिलेटेड है. मतलब सपोज हमको भूख नहीं लगी, वी आर नॉट फीलिंग हंग्री, बट वी सी पानी पूरी स्टॉल और एनी टी स्टॉल और व्हाटएवर, our legs moves towards that. So that is mind related activity. There is a disease in Europe or Western countries that is called bulimia. There are so much food to eat, but mind is not satisfied. So what they do, they eat food and then they vomit, then again eat food, again vomit. So then mind is not satisfied. तो वो दिस ट्रैक जो ट्रैक है, फूड ट्रैक, वो पूरा बर्निंग सेंसेशन होता है उसमें. तो बिकॉज ऑफ बर्निंग सेंसेशन देयर आर नो क्योर फॉर दैट बर्निंग सेंसेशन. तो बिकॉज जो सुदर्शन क्रिया वी टीच इन दिस कोर्स, तो देयर इज अ डीप ब्रीथिंग टेक्निक. तो उससे वो पूरा दे क्योर दिस फूड ट्रैक. तो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स हाउ टू कम आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन. वी encounter many youth in this course. If we were not doing this, we have committed suicide. So how when our energy is low, when very low, then we have tendency of suicide. So there are many sources for gaining energy. Then comes intellect, fourth level. Intellect keeps on judging. We keep opinion about people, opinion about situation. So opinions are temporary. We generally we have continuously. If you have seen people, they have opinion about Narendra Modi. They have South Indian, North Indian, this religion, that religion, doctors, engineers. Constantly we have opinion. If we all engineers are corrupted, we don't have such, this was infrastructure. If all doctors are making money, you have seen in current scenario how they are working, how they are our police working, how our safai karmachari or jo clean गुरुदेव डोंट मेक जनरल ओपिनियन. जैसे दाढ़ी वाले जितने भी आश्रम वाले हैं सब पैसे बनाते हैं, ऑल मेकिंग मनी, दे आर डूइंग नथिंग. तो कॉन्स्टेंटली बिकॉज ऑफ मीडिया, बिकॉज ऑफ सो वी मेक ओपिनियन. देर आर इन ऑल वर्ल्ड, इन मतलब साधु है, सन्यासी, वो वर्ल्ड में भी आपको कुछ गलत लोग दिखेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. तो कुछ डॉक्टर भी है, कुछ इंजीनियर भी है, लेकिन ऑल आर लाइक दैट. वो हमारी इंटेलेक्ट में जो भी हम डालते हैं उससे ओपिनियन बनती है. तो डोंट मेक जनरल ओपिनियन ऑफ एवरीवन इज न्यू. एवरी डे एवरी पर्सन इज न्यू, एवरी सिचुएशन इज न्यू. तो जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड हैज सेड कि आई व्हाट द वाइजेस्ट पर्सन आई हैव मेट इन माय लाइफ इज माय टेलर. ही टेक्स मेजरमेंट एवरी टाइम. तो हमारा हर मेजरमेंट जो हम लेते हैं दूसरों के बारे में, हर बार नया है. वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंजिंग, एवरीवन इज कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंजिंग. तो डोंट जज पीपल. तो दैट इज फोर्थ लेवल ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस. फिफ्थ लेवल इज अवर मेमोरी. Whatever we experience in our life, that is it stores here. But majority what we store, negation. So we store negative things in our consciousness, our memory. Then comes our ego, sixth level of our existence. Ego is a driving force. We have to achieve something, we have to, so that drives us to achieve some goals. Lekin what there is a negative force also कि जो दूसरों से हमको अलग करता है, what separate from others, तब परेशान आती है. दैट इज अवर ईगो. दूसरों से अच्छा अचीव करना है, दूसरों से वो करना है. फ्रॉम वी हैव टू गेन फ्रॉम बेस्ड फ्रॉम others, then that is a problem. Otherwise ego is a driving force. That is a level of our existence. We can't separate that from our existence, but we can understand that. And seven level of our existence is our self, spirit, आत्मा, जो भी आप नाम दो, whatever name you can give. तो लाइफ ये पूरा जर्नी है फ्रॉम द शरीर और सांस के माध्यम हमारे सेल्फ तक पहुंचने का. टेकिंग फ्रॉम अवर बॉडी एंड ब्रेथ वी कैन अचीव टूवर्ड्स सेल्फ. और व्हाट इज द जो हमारे सेल्फ का स्वभाव क्या है? जस्ट लाइक ए चाइल्ड, टू बी फ्री, टू बी हैप्पी, full of enthusiasm, no worry about past and future. So that precious thing, silence, sharing and caring, these are good qualities. Karuna, compassion. So that we have to achieve through our breath and body. So body and breath related, we will do some yogasana. So we have our one teacher, Meena Ben. She is our yoga teacher. She has done post graduation from Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Art of Living, Ayush Mantralaya, 200 hours training. So we have many training going on in Bangalore ashram. Right now we have this platform online. So you can also become a trainer, because future is of wellness and clean energy, green energy. So you can be on this path, because 87% जो revenue है, what they are earned by Western countries, only 30% we can earn. So majority we have potential. on this wellness, yoga, pranayam, meditation. You can become also this faculty. You can visit our website. But after this session, we have some question answer session. I will answer all your question. So right now we will do some योगासन, मतलब सिटिंग, बैठे बैठे क्या कर सकते हैं, जॉइंट रिलैक्सेशन, सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. तो मीना बेन विल टीच यू सम लाइट स्ट्रेचेस. यू कैन. ओके ओके. तो वी विल लर्न सम योगा. तो that's what I said. What is yoga? Yoga is union of body, mind and breath and our spirit. Okay.
Sit in spine erect. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Look down.
So we will start with first joint, our neck. This is first joint.
Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Look up.
We will do very slowly because all our nerves are passing through this neck.
Breathe out. Look down. Breathe in. Center. Breathe in. Look at right shoulder. Breathe out. Center. Breathe in. Left side. Breathe out. Center. Breathe in. Right side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Look left side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Look right side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Look left side. Breathe out. Breathe in. Shoulder touch करे. Breathe out. Center. Breathe out. Left side.
Try your ear to touch your shoulder. Whatever.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Right side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left side. Breathe in. Centered. Breathe in. Neck rotation. Clockwise. Half circle breathe in and half circle breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe in. Slowly, slowly. Breathe out. Breathe in.
Half circle सांस अंदर, breath in, and half circle.
Breathe out.
Reverse direction, anti-clockwise.
And breathe out.
Come in front, breathing out. Second
Breathe
round,
in.
breathe in.
Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax.
Shoulder rotation. Second joint our shoulder.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in.
सांस लेते लेते ऊपर,
करें.
सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते नीचे. Breathe in.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Opposite direction.
Reverse direction.
In. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. And relax. शोल्डर को ऊपर उठा के रखें, चेहरे को ऊपर रखें और राइट शोल्डर डाउन, लेफ्ट शोल्डर अप और चेहरे को मूव करें राइट लेफ्ट. And relax. Both shoulder expand.
These are light stretches which you can do in sitting in your chair also.
Move right and half moon circle.
So this is a nice exercise.
Expand your hand maximum. Go back side. Hold your breath and relax. Palm facing down, up, down. And relax. Sit in Malasana. Sit in Indian style. Stretch your right leg right side. Hold position. Relax. Stretch your right leg front side. Relax. Stretch your right leg right side. Relax. Stretch your right leg right side. It's the front side. Relax. Under leg. Stretch your left leg, left side. Relax. Stretch your left leg front side. Relax. Left side. Relax. Front side. Relax. And sit down. राइट लेग को लेफ्ट नी के ऊपर रखे और एंकल रोटेट.
Rotate your ankle with your hand. That is also one
Reverse
joint.
direction.
Reverse direction, opposite direction.
And relax. Change position.
Another leg, ankle rotation. Slowly in one direction, then
Opposite side.
reverse direction. So these are joint relaxation.
Relax. Go back. Breathe in. Go back. Breathe out. Move forward.
Slowly, vertebra by vertebra. Your face is on the ground, forehead, whatever touches or doesn't touches. Don't worry. Slowly come up.
Breathe in and breathe out.
One more time.
Breathe in. Relax. Both legs. एंगल के पास ले जाए.
Butterfly.
Breathe in. Go back and breathe out.
If you can do it, it's okay. If you can't do it, it's okay. These are exercise or yoga to make our body flexible. So it needs some practice.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and relax. Cradle. Right leg. Put in left elbow and twist your
Twist your body. This is a small child in your hand.
relax. Other leg.
Second leg. This twisting from our stomach area.
And relax. Both legs stretch. तो अंदर खींचे and relax.
Up and down.
In, out,
Down.
in,
Both legs up.
in, out. Right leg up. Rotate.
Rotate in one direction, then rotate in another direction. If you can do it slowly, you can do it with breath.
Other leg. Rotate. Half circle breathe in and half circle breathe out. Opposite direction. And relax. Bas.
So these are some joint relaxation. So every day you can you can do one. We are working with computers, so we have to use mouse. So we have some problems regarding our wrist also. So you can rotate wrist after some time, every half an hour, every 1 hour. So this joint get some exercise. The wrist rotation. Okay, Surya Namaskar is a set of 12 asana. If you can practice it daily, it come every asana come in Surya Namaskar, but it requires some practice. 2 hours daily for 5 days. We teach that. We keep on posting our future courses, or you can log in our website artoffliving.org. You will got all information. So this was yoga. We'll do one pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam. So whenever we feel low energy, so what to do to get back enthusiasm and high energy? So that is one pranayam. First we will see it, then we'll do it together. The position for that pranayam is Vajrasana. If you have any knee problem or doctors have instructed, you can skip Vajrasana. You can sit on chair or cross leg. But if you are physically fit, no knee problem, you can sit on Vajrasana. That is both legs. Put your legs down your buttocks and put your weight on your both your legs. That is Vajrasana. So what is benefit of Vajrasana? We can, after taking a meal, lunch or dinner, you can sit on Vajrasana. It helps in our digestion. This is only asana you can do after eating, Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana if you can. Then what we will do? We will put both our hands in near our shoulder, both our ankle touch our both hands near our body, on loose feet, not so much tight. So when we breathe in, our both hands goes up and our feet open up. That is the position. Both muट्ठी खुल जाएगी. Then when we breathe out, we come in same position. But we will do forcefully. If you have any heart problem, or you can do very lightly. Otherwise, if you can do forcefully. So only for heart patients, or if your doctors have said something about your heart, so you can do slowly. So otherwise, you can first look at her, then we will do combine. So let us see. This is called Bhastrika pranayam. So we have fast food and fast change. So this is the pranayam to gain fast energy. Okay. First let us see, then we'll do together. Take a normal breath in and out. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, relax, Vishram. Relaxed position is palm facing our knees, palm on our knees, both hands facing to the ceiling. That is Vishram position, relaxed position. And our whole attention on our breath and our body. So now we will do together. When we inhale, our both hands gets up, our fist open. Then when we breath, exhale, our position, whatever position current, we maintain that. First round we can do it with open eyes open. Then you can close your eyes. So open your eyes and see on the screen. Take a normal breath in and out. And another breath in and out. For Bhastrika Pranayam, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9 and relax. Vishram kare. Pay your attention to your breath and body. Forcefully breathe in and forcefully breathe out. Bhastrika Pranayam, second round. Take position for second round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Take a normal breath in and out. Take another normal breath in and out. We will do Bhastrika Pranayam together. Breathe in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in relax. Vishram kare. Just relax. Pay your attention to your breath and body. Slowly our fast breathing getting normal. Pay attention to your breath. Last round of Bhastrika Pranayam. Take position for last round. Take a normal breath in and out. Another normal breath in and out. For Bhastrika Pranayam, let's do together. Breathe in, 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in relax. Vishram kare, just relax. Pay your attention to your body and breath. If you are sitting in Vajrasana, you can sit in cross leg. You may open your eyes if you are sitting with closed eyes. Okay, so how do you feel? Feeling energetic? So this is pranayam. What is, you have heard the name pranayam. What is pranayam? Pran means subtle life force energy. Yam means directing or controlling. That is pranayam. So we are controlling that subtle life force energy in one direction to gain energy. These are sources of that. There are 4 sources to gain energy. First, what we have talked. There are 7 levels of our existence. That is body, breath, mind, intellect, memory, ego, and self. So there are some sources to gain energy. The prime source, what is the prime source to gain energy is food and water. Now, food is very important. We gain energy through food. So by nature, nature have made our intestine very long. So there are the creatures or the living beings in nature who have long intestine are vegetarian. So it doesn't have some connection with religion. Our intestine are such that the food passes very, it takes time. So juice or salad, it takes very less time to digest. The other stale food, stale food or whatever made with maida. You have seen in Western countries with pizza they give aerated drink, either Coca-Cola or whatever brand. So what that aerated drink does, the maida, that fortified wheat that we eat, it drains that maida. So if you keeps on eating this maida for a long time, our intestine got very, its passage got contracted. So we have digestion problem. So best food is what we cook at our home. In Ayurveda, we say after 4 hours, if you eat that home food after 4 hours, it becomes stale. So घर का बना हुआ ताजा, मतलब जो if you can eat, it's very healthy. And every region have some connection. मतलब right now, whatever that dietitian, they say whatever our nana nani and dada dadi, our ancestors, they are cooking is best for our body, our best for our growth. So we have to cultivate that our habit. At least if you can do it both times, is well and good. Otherwise, one time if you have food from our home, or hotel, or when we eat that food, so after eating that food we don't feel nice. That feeling of that prasad from mandir or gurudwara or our home cooked food is different than what we are eat outside, because the thought process, what our mother or our wife or our sister, whatever cooks in our house is different. So that will call prasad, whatever eat at our home. So food plays vital role in our thought process, whatever we think. So what we have, if you are using your intellect, then food should be सात्विक. सात्विक मतलब घर का बना हुआ, less spicy, less oily, that is fresh. So eat spicy, less spicy food, जो सात्विक जिसको कहते हैं, तो सात्विक food is needed for person who have to work on his intellect. Then the second is rajasic. Rajasic means more sweets. It's मतलब rajas. It increases rajas. मतलब you have seen children. They are very they cannot, जिसको हम कहते हैं चंचलता. They cannot stay at a single place. They are constantly wavering. So it this sweet and all food increase our instability. Then tamasic food. Tamasic, tamas means aggression. मतलब our soldiers or military person need such type of food, but we don't have required that type of food that increases our aggression, our anger. So we have to be more stable, more calm, more cool. So for that requires our sattvic food. So food is plays very vital role in our growth. Food and water also. In India, what we have one habit, we drink maximum water during eating. So when we become hungry, what happens? उसको कहते हैं ना कि अग्नि 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 फायर इंक्रीसेस. तो फायर को हम आहुति में क्या देते हैं? फिर कोल्ड वाटर देते हैं. मेजोरिटी वी ड्रिंक have cold water while eating, so that अग्नि जो फायर जो है वो बुझ जाती है. मतलब डाइजेशन, वी हैव मेनी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डाइजेशन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. वी ड्रिंक मैक्सिमम वाटर while our taking our food. So we can avoid this. We can take water before half an hour or after half an hour. We have 32 teeth. So what we can do, whatever we eat, we have to chew it 32 times. 32 times, if you can chew it becomes liquid. Whatever saliva we have, whatever digestive we have is in our mouth. So if we chew properly, it becomes liquid, and it can be easily digestible. And we need less food. We can less food also. So our stomach is like a, क्या कहते हैं, like a coconut. तो इसको कहते हैं हम अंजलि. So we need only this anjali. Our both palms being close, we need food this much only. This much only, whatever our body requires. Our Ayurveda says food for Vat, Pitta, Kaph and balanced food. Matlab, if you have Vaid in your area, you can check your Nadi. For Nadi Parikshan, they can tell you what kind of food is best for you, what kind of food you, even if in vegetarian also, every food is not for everyone. So you can avoid such type of, to be healthy. Whatever Nadi Parikshan we have in Ayurveda is for a healthy lifestyle. In Japan, they have a tradition to drink lukewarm water. Lukewarm water, what it does, it balances our Vat, Pitta and Kapha. So we can also cultivate a habit to have lukewarm. In many gym or many cooler, they have one tap for hot water also. One is cold water, tap water and hot water. You can install that in an institute also. So this warm water or lukewarm water benefits us from majority of diseases. If you can cultivate the habit of drinking this lukewarm water, it's very healthy. But daily we can have to drink 3 to 4 liters of water, but not while we are eating. At another time, half an hour before, half an hour after. So we have to cultivate this healthy habit of drinking water also. So food and water is very, very important in our life. It's vital important. So proper food, proper water is much needed. to become healthy. Then second source to gain energy is breath. Breath related yoga, pranayam, that is also important, because we have to respond every time. We don't have to react. So we have to come out of reaction. So respond needs a proper breathing. Then third one is our sleep, our meditation, rest. That all comes in one area. We have to be proper sleep. We get proper sleep, 6 hours, 8 hours. As a child, we used to sleep for 20 hours, then 18 hours, then slowly it comes down. We need proper rest daily. So the people who are working in night shift, we have some body clock. So every organ works at a particular time. So we have proper rest, proper sleep. In the afternoon, when after eating, we can have warm kukshi. Warm kukshi means sleeping on the left side. So when we sleep on the left side, our right nostril or Surya Nadi get activated. So it helps in digestion. After yogic practice, we turn to your right side. We sleep on our right side. So Chandra Nadi gets activated. So we more calm. These all are scientific reasons behind all this. Whatever we do, we put some chandan or tilak to calm our Agya chakra. We can. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो मैडम.
Sir, now we have a question answer session, because at 11:30 our session will be ending, right?
Definitely.
So
I will
kindly take
finish.
some questions.
I will finish in 1 minute, 1-2 minutes. Then water, then our breath, then our meditation, rest, sleep. Then fourth source of energy is knowledge. We have to read some scripture, we have to follow some path, that is knowledge. Knowledge also keeps on increasing our energy. These are sources of increase our energy. When our energy level is high, we feel light, we feel positive, we feel good. When our energy level is down, we feel heavy, negative, sad, depression. This is a game to increase our energy. So we have to do something to increase our energy. So to increase our energy level, we have to have proper food, water, proper rest, proper sleep. We have to do some exercise, yoga, pranayam, meditation, and to read some of our knowledge, to be knowledge about ourselves, knowledge about scriptures. Okay, there are 7 levels of existence. There are 4 sources of energy, or you can gain all this in a proper way, in a yogic practice. Whatever we have done, Baba Ramdev can do good stomach exercise, but we can't do that. It harms us if you can not learn from a proper yogic practitioner. So you can log on to our website artofliving.org. You will get so many courses, so many whatever you can do online. In the current scenario, we have online sessions only. Okay. Now you can have question answer session. You can ask. We have so many things to say, but as per your time. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Participant,
if you have any questions, yourself. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
हाँ sir.
Sir, I just want to know the best way to do Sudarshan Kriya. I have been trying it out.
Okay. Have you done the Art of Living Happiness program, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So currently we have follow-up session for that on Zoom application. So you can contact your local teacher. So you can connect with them.
Actually, I have done it twice, but I couldn't master it. Sudarshan Kriya.
Okay. So it's a breathing technique. We in the voice of Shankarji, we teach Sudarshan. You. Okay. I can hear too much voice. So,
Yeah, it's not
Sudarshan,
my concern.
Sudarshan Kriya is a breathing technique. So it balances our this 7 levels. Well,
Yeah.
it is recognized by WHO, recognized by NIMHANS, recognized by our All India Institute of Medical Science. So by in nature we see everything is in a rhythm. Whatever when it gets out of rhythm, that is the problem. So our brain, our intellect, our memory, our mind, our ego, that all should be in rhythm. It's like a musical instrument. If all musical instrument play by itself, it's a noise. It creates noise. But that is, if they play in a particular rhythm, it creates music. So music, so our system is like that. So we have this Sudarshan Kriya do that. Ki our body, our mind, our intellect, our memory, it comes in a proper rhythm. So whatever we do, then no needs for to gain more knowledge. But once we our all this system comes in rhythm, whatever you will do is right. So proper way, if you can, sir, repeat the course to get proper knowledge. Right now we don't have access in ashram, or right now we have only as guided by our Gurudev ki you can do online course only. Now, or one that system, that 20, 40, 40 breath, then pranayam, the 3-stage pranayam, Bastrika pranayam, Omkar, whatever you that system you can go through it. Right now, only thing you can contact your teacher and join this Zoom application, Sudarshan Kriya live with Gurudev.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? So Sudarshan Kriya is the main heart of this art of living organization. Once you learn Sudarshan Kriya, you can ask anyone who have learned Sudarshan Kriya. It's a cleansing process. It cleans every cell, because of this, in every cell we have accumulated many toxins. So by doing Sudarshan Kriya, every cell becomes new. All our toxins eliminates from each and every cell. And that is why we feel very light. We feel very enthusiastic. We feel positive. So you can also practice this Sudarshan Kriya. There are some one-time donation also we have kept. So we donation in Art of Living in other NGO. What happens? Ki whatever donation accumulated 60-40% their cost is in establishment cost. In Art of Living, 94-95% we use for seva activities. During current scenario, our ashram is Ayurvedic hospital is treating corona patient, and all food related activity all over India. We are providing food to many in all states. So what generated by this such activity, by making individual happy, individual stress free, physically, mentally, emotionally, on whatever donation we generate, we divert that in seva activity. Otherwise, we don't collect fund like that. Give us this, give us this. We make individual people happy, calm, cool, and from that donation we can divert in seva. Right now we have 500 tribal schools we are running. So all the tribal schools are free. All activities in our villages for chemical free farming and all village related activity are free in slum area or whatever. So we can charge from some people who can pay and divert that in other areas. Any questions, sir? Myself, I don't need any money. I am structural engineer. I can give my time for the society. This is, I am sharing time, my experience, and whatever my Gurudev has said. So in a short, I say don't make opinions. See, all this Dadhiwala or ashram are bad. First experience and then give opinion. Experience yourself. Okay. Any questions, sir? If you are doing any courses, I will inform you. Our one course is a holistic cooking course. That is cooking. How to make our cooking proper to be healthy. That is solar cooking is best. Then cooking, then microwave cooking is the worst. So that's when whatever is fast is not good. So slow cooking, our ancestors are cooking in a that मिट्टी के बर्तन जो होते थे वो sand made out of clay. That were the best. Right now we can get in any organic shop. You can get such type of vessels. Then steel. You can avoid aluminum also. Aluminum is also not good for cooking. So proper cooking, how to cook to maintain all vitamins, minerals, that is also necessary. Otherwise, if you purchase organic food and don't know the cooking properly, then it's wastage. So we have holistic cooking course also. So all the activities that needs chemical free farming for proper food generation, holistic cooking to cook proper, and this breathing techniques, Sudarshan Kriya and all that to become well. So everything you will get from artofliving.org. Okay, any questions, sir?
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for such a wonderful information. This session was really worth attending, and we got much more information about lifelong learning. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thanks. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Okay, dear participants, so we are ending the first session of the day here and start our second section of the day at 12 p.m. Okay, so after half an hour, we will begin our second session of the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Well.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your wonderful time.